Fox 35 Mission Control, a new image from the James Webb Telescope.
Researchers have found the brightest burst of light ever recorded, but have unearthed further mysteries surrounding it.
Proxima Centauri B, a name that has captured the imagination of astronomers for years, lies just 4.2 light-years away in the nearest star system to Earth. This exoplanet has been the subject of intense speculation. Could it harbor life? Could it be the future destination of mankind? But recent discoveries could completely overturn what we thought we knew about this distant world. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, the most advanced space observatory ever built, has trained its powerful eyes on Proxima B, and what it has found is nothing short of groundbreaking. What if I told you that the data suggested the possibility of artificial lights illuminating Proxima's surface? That's right. City lights, possibly from an alien civilization. Before we jump to conclusions, let's take a step back and understand what makes Proxima B so fascinating in the first place. This rocky exoplanet orbits within the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri, which means that liquid water could theoretically exist on its surface. Unlike the searing or freezing environments of many other planets, Proxima B could have temperatures just right for life. And where there's water, there's the potential for life as we know it. But Proxima Centauri isn't like our Sun. It's a red dwarf star, much smaller and cooler. Red dwarfs are known for their violent solar flares, which could potentially strip away a planet's atmosphere and make life impossible. But what if Proxima B has evolved in ways we can't even begin to understand? What if the life forms there have adapted to this seemingly hostile environment? Or, more intriguingly, what if they've developed technology advanced enough to protect themselves from these cosmic threats? Let's get back to the findings of the James Webb Space Telescope. As it scanned the planet, researchers detected unusual patterns of light that don't seem to occur naturally. The lights are consistent with what we'd expect from artificial lighting, the kind of light you'd see from cities on Earth seen from space. Could this be evidence of an intelligent, technologically advanced species living next door on a cosmic scale? This isn't the first time mankind has speculated about alien civilizations based on unusual observations. Do you remember the WOW signal of 1977? This narrow-band radio signal detected by astronomers is still unexplained. Or the mysterious dimming of Tabby's star, which led some to propose the existence of a Dyson sphere, a massive hypothetical structure that advanced civilizations might build to harness the energy of their star. The idea of extraterrestrial intelligence has always danced between the realms of science and imagination, but the possibility of city lights on Proxima B takes this speculation to a whole new level. So what does this discovery mean to us? If these lights are indeed artificial, it means that we are no longer alone in the universe. For centuries, humanity has looked up at the stars and wondered if someone or something might be looking back. The implications of finding intelligent life would be staggering. It could reshape our understanding of science, religion, technology, and even what it means to be human. But before we let our imaginations run wild, we need to consider other explanations. Could the lights be caused by natural phenomena? Perhaps volcanic activity, reflected starlight, or some other environmental factor we haven't yet considered. Scientists are cautiously optimistic, but admit there's still a lot of work to be done. The JWST is only just beginning its investigation, and more data will be needed to confirm or disprove this theory. If intelligent life exists on Proxima B, it's unlikely to be anything like us. Their world, orbiting a red dwarf star, would be very different from Earth. How would they communicate? What kind of social structure or technology would they have developed? And if they are technologically advanced enough to produce artificial light visible from light years away, what else might they be capable of? The very idea of making contact with an alien civilization raises a host of ethical, philosophical, and practical questions. Should we even try to reach out? How would humanity deal with such a profound discovery? Throughout history, the first encounters between human civilizations have often led to conflict, exploitation, and misunderstanding. We need to ask ourselves, What message do we want to send to the stars? And are we really ready for the answers we might receive? But beyond the science and speculation, there's a deeper question. What does this mean for us here on Earth? If we are no longer the only intelligent beings in the universe, how does this change the way we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos? For centuries, we've believed that humanity is unique, that our intelligence, creativity, and capacity for innovation set us apart. The discovery of another intelligent species would force us to rethink everything we thought we knew about life, evolution, and the universe itself. Perhaps the most exciting part of this discovery is the potential for technological and cultural exchange. If these beings have overcome challenges similar to ours, such as sustainable energy, environmental preservation, and social harmony, what could we learn from them? Could their solutions inspire breakthroughs here on Earth to help us solve some of our most pressing problems? The possibilities are endless. This moment could be the beginning of a new era for humanity, one defined by cooperation, exploration, and a shared sense of purpose. Imagine a world where nations come together not to compete for resources or power, but to work together to understand our place in the universe. The Apollo moon landings of the 1960s united people from all walks of life and inspired a generation to dream bigger and reach further. The discovery of intelligent life on Proxima B could have an even more profound impact, uniting the world in the quest for knowledge and understanding. As we stand on the brink of what could be one of the most important discoveries in human history, we must remember to approach it with both curiosity and caution. The universe is vast, and we are only beginning to understand its complexity. But with each new discovery, we are one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? Join us as we continue to explore the unfolding mystery of Proxima Centauri B. Could we really be on the verge of discovering an alien civilization? Or is there another explanation waiting to be uncovered? One thing is certain. The search for life beyond Earth has only just begun. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues to collect data, we can't help but wonder, what's next? If Proxima B is indeed home to an advanced civilization, the implications are enormous. Not only would we have to rethink our place in the universe, but we would also have to consider how best to engage with this new neighbor. Imagine for a moment that we did make contact. What would the conversation be like? Would they be peaceful, curious about us as we are about them? Or would they view humanity as a threat, an upstart species just beginning to explore the cosmos? Throughout history, encounters between different human civilizations have often been marked by fear and misunderstanding. We must be careful not to repeat these mistakes on a cosmic scale. One of the most pressing questions is how to communicate with a completely alien species. After all, language is intimately linked to the way we think and perceive the world. Would we be able to understand each other at all? Some scientists believe that mathematics could serve as a universal language, a way to bridge the gap between different forms of intelligence. Others suggest that we could use visual symbols or light signals to communicate basic ideas. Whatever the method, establishing communication would be the first step in building a relationship with the inhabitants of Proxima B. But there are risks involved. What if the civilization on Proxima B is far more advanced than ours? They could have technologies that we can't even begin to imagine. Technologies that could either benefit or threaten our very existence. The introduction of alien technology into human society would have to be carefully managed. Just as the discovery of nuclear power brought both benefits and dangers, the acquisition of alien technology could have unforeseen consequences. It could spark a new technological revolution, but it could also lead to instability and conflict. We must also consider the ethical implications of contact. If Proxima B is inhabited by an intelligent species, do they have rights that we should respect? Should we approach them with caution, or do we have a responsibility to leave them undisturbed? The history of human exploration is full of examples of colonization and exploitation. We must tread carefully to ensure that our actions do not repeat the mistakes of the past. Should we initiate contact at all? Some scientists argue that we should observe from a distance, at least until we have a better understanding of Proxima B's inhabitants. Others believe that humanity has a moral obligation to share our knowledge and culture with the universe. But what if making contact opens the door to dangers we can't foresee? What if, by reaching out, we expose ourselves to risks we're not prepared to handle? This isn't just a scientific dilemma, it's a philosophical one. The discovery of intelligent life on Proxima B could challenge some of our deepest beliefs about existence. For centuries, humans have seen themselves as the pinnacle of creation, the only intelligent beings in a vast, empty universe. But if life exists on Proxima B, or anywhere else, we would need to reevaluate that belief. What does it mean to be alive? Are there universal principles that govern life across the cosmos? Or is every form of life unique to its environment? These are the questions that philosophers, scientists, and theologians have grappled with for centuries. The discovery of life on Proxima B could offer us the opportunity to find some answers. But as we stand on the precipice of this new frontier, we must remember that with great discovery comes great responsibility. Our actions in the coming years could shape the future of humanity and our place in the universe for generations to come. In the end, the search for life beyond Earth is not just a scientific endeavor. It's a deeply human one. The drive to connect, to understand, and to explore the unknown. Whether Proxima B is home to an advanced civilization or not, the journey to discover the truth will continue to inspire us to look beyond the horizon, to wonder if we are not alone in the universe. The next chapter of this story is still unwritten, but one thing is certain. The search for life beyond Earth has just begun, and the James Webb Space Telescope may be the key to unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the mysteries of Proxima Centauri B and the possibility that we may one day make contact with our celestial neighbors.